What's up, guys? Will H back with another video. Taking a look at a smartwatch that I picked up. I actually picked up several of these. Going to give them out as stocking stuffers for Christmas for some youngsters that have never had their first smartwatch. I thought this would be something pretty cool. I've used the Amazfit before back in the past. I think I had the earlier version of this. This is the Amazfit Bip 3 Pro. Picked this up at Best Buy. They got them for like $49, $50. So I decided to pick up a few of these and just give them out. These are pretty good watches. So, this is like I said, the Amazfit Bip 3 Pro. This is a 42.9 millimeter face watch. It has 50 plus watch faces that you can customize. It's going to come in 3 different colors: pink, black, and cream color. One thing I like about this is advertised as 14-day battery life on it. My Apple Watch, my Samsung watch, or my Google Pixel watch, none of these watches are going to get that type of battery life. I do love these watches, but they're not going to get that much battery life. You got 60 plus sports mode on this. This is going to be water resistant up to 5 ATM. You can track your SpO2. This has 24/7 heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, stress detection, and this does operate off the 4 satellite positioning system as well. And like I said, this is only $50. So here's a nice colorful box. Amazfit, a Zepp brand, Bip 3 Pro. That's a picture of the device. And then on this side, some of those same specs. 1.69 inch large color display, which is about 42.9 millimeters. High precision GPS and GLONASS, long battery life, 5 ATM water resistant, O2 blood oxygen saturation measurement, and 60 plus sports modes. So let's go ahead and get into this box. Look like there's a pull tab right here. Like these companies doing that these days, making it easy to get into the box. So like I said, I've had the Amazfit watches before. I stopped buying them a while back. No specific reason. Just haven't bought one. Let's go ahead and see what's all in here. All right, over here. So we're going to get our manual. Get the manual here. Going to tell you everything that you need. You got your barcode in there to download the app, Amazfit app. And guess I'm gonna have to go, nope, no beast mode. And this is probably all in the box. So you're gonna get your proprietary charger here. Go ahead and get this open. So here's the proprietary charger, and you got your USB-A, and that's pretty much all in the box. You're not going to get a brick. If there is, I'll let you guys know. I didn't check, but I don't think so. So here's the watch, very lightweight. I think this is a 20 millimeter band, so you can change these out, I think. I may be wrong. Yeah, they have the little quick release pins on here, so if you got 20 millimeter band, you can change this out. This is very soft rubber band here. As you guys see, you do have the little pins there where you can release that. Let's get this off. So here are the sensors on the back for all of your things that's going to check your oxygen, heart rate, and things like that. And then let's get this off. And so here's the device here. So all plastic filling. You only got one button here. Here's the band. You guys see just a soft filling rubber band. Very lightweight plastic filling. And that's pretty much it, man. You got all your sensors on the back there. One button. Let's go ahead and see if we got any power. Or do I need to charge this up? And as you guys see, it gives me a barcode right off the bat. I'm going to have to download the Amazfit app. and then we'll come back in. So out of the box, 46% battery. Right there, you're going to see your time on there as well. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up with a phone. I'll come right back. All right, guys, we're back in. The pairing was pretty simple. You just create an account or sign into your account and follow the instructions. So this is the app that we got here. You guys see I'm signed in. Tells you the battery percentage. You can see the other watch that I had, the Smart Band 4, that is still on there. Give you a lot of different stuff here. This is now the Zep app. So let's go to the Amazfit Bip 3 Pro. So you can see the battery percentage here, up here in the corner. If I wanted to add another device, I could. You got your health monitoring here. All day heart rate monitoring is set for every 10 minutes. Heart rate alert, active heart rate monitoring, your sleep assistant, which I do use on my other watches. So let's go back out. You got your notification reminders here. You can do incoming calls, app alerts, standing reminders, incoming SMS, incoming email, and different things there. You got your different watch faces. Pretty nice watch faces on here. It's supposed to be 50 of them or more. I like this one. There are several of them on here I like. And not bad. And then I think you can adjust the complications on the watch faces. You can do a little customization. You got your vibration alert here for different things there, incoming calls and stuff like that. You're going to have your watch settings right there, change the language and different things. App settings, you can set your alarms, to check the weather and things like that. Find my watch. So let's do that again. So it's giving me a vibration. I'm hoping that you can change that to a sound instead of vibration. Discoverable. You got heart rate sharing, whatever that is. Active heart rate sharing. Bind restrictions, system update. And I did have an update out of the box as well. So this is pretty much the app. It's not very robust, but it gives you enough information. So here's the watch. This is the watch face out of the box. You can tap the display to bring it, turn it on. If you press the button, this goes into all your activities on here. You got your activity goal, PAI, I'm not sure what that is. You got your heart rate, sleep, workout history. So let's go into workout. So let's look at everything on here. You got outdoor running, treadmill, outdoor cycling, indoor cycling, walking, swimming, jumping rope, yoga, free training, rowing machine, elliptical, badminton. So you got over 50 of them they have on here for your workout. You can track your workout history, blood oxygen, stress. Does have the breathe reminder on there. You got some women health stuff there, to-do list, alarm, and then in your settings, you got your auto strain off, strain lock settings, light up on wrist lift, light up on notifications, and just different stuff like that. And then more, we got weather, music, countdown, stopwatch, world clock. You can control your smartphone camera and find my phone as well. So that is everything in there. If I swipe up from the bottom, if I have some notifications, they will be there. You got your quick toggles. If you swipe down, swipe this way, you're going to see your weather, which I do need to change to Fahrenheit. You got your, look like your steps and stuff there. This is going to be your stress level, blood oxygen, heart rate, and active goals. Now you can click into all of these and break it down and see, different sub menus there. See if we can do that with the weather as well. So yeah, it's going to give you tomorrow's forecast all the way through the week, it looks like. So not too bad, man, for 50 bucks. The touchscreen seems to be very responsive as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and wear this for the next day or for a day, and then I'll come back at the end of the video and tell you guys what I think about it. So the next part of the video will be a day or two later. All right, guys, so we are back. It has been 2 days since I've been using the Amazfit Bip 3 Pro. 2 days since I've last used it. The watch is now at 19%. I think 2 days ago out of the box it was at like 47%. And this watch has impressed me very well, man. This is what your notifications will look like on the watch. You're not going to get any photos or anything like that. I can click into it, and this is pretty much the extent of it. You do get a little emoji there, but you're not going to get full photos and things like that. But very nice. Gives you a quick little look at the notification that came in. Phone calls show up, and text messages as well. Does a pretty good job, accurate job of keeping up with your steps and everything. I have been using this for sleep. Does a great job on monitoring the heart rate. You guys see, gives you a good breakdown of stuff here. Very nice. The oxygen, blood oxygen, it measures that very well. Just be still. This is the stress. I haven't used that. Not too much worrying about that. This is the PAI. Not really, don't really know what that is. I think it's a composite of all your things you got. The weather app works great. Widget here works great. Gives you pretty good, accurate details on your weather. The watch faces, you have plenty of those. I don't think you can set your own. This is one that I changed over, and from what I can tell, you can only keep 2 of them on the device at a time, because I tried to load up more. I may be wrong, but that's the only 2 I could get on there. And the touchscreen works great, man. So so far this has been a win for 50 bucks. Another part that I wanted to show you guys that I didn't look into on the app when we first looked at it. I said it wasn't very robust, but here it is. So this is very robust. You see it saying my steps there. I can click into it. I can see them by the day, by the week, by the month, by the year. Gives you all kinds of information here about how active you were with your steps. And I didn't notice this at the first beginning of the video. Here's my sleep. As you guys see, I got a 99. I slept 7 hours and 43 minutes. It's going to break down your deep sleep when you were awake. It's going to give you all of this. Your breathing quality while you were sleeping. Your heart rate while you were sleeping. This is pretty robust, and it goes weekly, month, and year as well. And then if you want to listen at a melody while you're sleeping, it does have different melodies there. I never can say that word right, but you have a sleep aid there where you can play music, and then here's give you composite on your heart rate. Breaks it down. See, you can see my maximum was 94, minimum was 64. Now I usually stay around the 70, and this gives you 70 beats per minute. This gives you by the week, date, and year. That PAI again there, I'm not sure what that is. And then it gives you a different breakdown for your walking, running, and stuff like that. And then this page here, your workout stuff, it'll tell you. You can set the amount of steps that you want to achieve every day, your calories and things like that. So this is another part of the app that I didn't show earlier. I showed this part right here, but it does break it down into your workout stuff and all the other things that you need to know. So very robust app that I said wasn't, but it is. So this is the Amazfit Bip 3 Pro. $50 watch that does a lot of things, and pretty impressed with it right now. So Will H. Gadgets and More, I'm out.